no tangling. You can run your hand through the hair, no tangling at all. If you want to maintain your boho braid, revamp it. Should I say revamp it? I thought they use revamp for wig, but if you want to maintain your boho braids, whatever braid you have on that had coils on it and you think the coil is worn out and you need to revive it back to life, you need to maintain it back to life, then this video is for you. By the way, the extension I actually use on this boho braid is 100% human hair. This works in synthetic hair, it works in human hair as well. And this is the best human hair I've ever actually used. It's full from the top to the bottom, it doesn't shed. So let me not just waste you guys' time with all this plenty information while I can just show you guys how it's been done. And before you know it, you'll be sparkling. Your braid will be sparkling. Just imagine, see that knot. This thing is matted already. It's matted already. Look at that. After knotting this for over 2 weeks, 3 weeks to 4 weeks, it still looks this good. I've not actually touched it at all, and this is how it's looking. This extension is actually a very good extension, seriously. So if you really want to have a boho braids or Boho braids and you're looking for a very good human hair to add to the braid, seriously get this extension. The coil is very, very beautiful. It's full from the top to the bottom, which I really love so much. So definitely I'll be leaving the link in the description section. Just check it out. And if you use my code as well, you get some discounts from it. I really love to work in session. Just session it. I'll start from this area, but then again I need to reduce this. This is not so much. So what I like to do, I like to run my arm through it just to detangle it. At this stage, you can use the detangling brush. Please, if you're brushing it, you are gentle. You're going to be very gentle on the braids, and also you're going to work your way from the bottom. So you start this way slightly. You remember that there is actually a braided hair inside the braid, so just be careful. You're just like flipping the brush nicely just on top of it. You're not dipping it downward, so it's just all the coils that is on the side you're going to pick. So see how it's looking. So while you've done that, you just work your way upwards. Let me move backward a little bit. You work your way gently. You're just brushing it around gently. So you just rub your brush on it lightly. So this is what you get. When you are done brushing it, this is how it's going to look. You can see that this hair is really a very good hair. Just look at my brush. Look at what came out. So this is all that came out. You can see that this hair is really a very, very good hair. This is all that came out of the hair. This is all that came out of the hair. So you can see how it's looking. Right now, you can easily rub your hand through it, like, see. So what I sprayed into this container is the Cantu Moisturizing Coily Activator Cream. What you need is just the first drop you have from this, a drop. Put it in the bottle of water, just fill it up. So what I did is just to put a drop of this argan oil into the bottle. Just one drop will be okay. And the next thing you do, you shake it very well. Shake it nicely. And this will be enough for all the hair. What you do after shaking it, you start to spray. You will easily run your hand through this. No block, no nothing. So this is how it's going to look. You see that? You see that? So this is how you basically like just maintain your braid with coils, your boho braid, your Bora braid, whatever braid you actually made that you added coily extension to it. This is how you maintain it. Very, very easy. You can see how beautiful it looks now. This was how it was looking when I just made it. It looks so beautiful. So what you're going to do if it's a synthetic hair, just add the water to it, spray the water on it, and then you brush afterwards. But see, look at how beautiful. Just check it, this to this. I think this should be my thumbnails, right? So let me quickly do this off the camera and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like by the time I was done. At the moment, this is how the coils look. Let me bring them up. It's still a little bit wet though, but just pay attention. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Look at how beautiful this looks. Excuse me. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Without the root, you will actually think I just made this hair. In less than 10 minutes, you are done maintaining your hair. You don't have to carry that hair looking rough and tacky. No tangling. You can run your hand through the hair. No tangling at all. This is how you maintain your boho braids, your Boho braids, and any braid at all you have on that you actually add coily extension to it. This is how you can maintain it. It's very, very easy. Just take a look at the scores. It's very, very easy. In less than 10 minutes, you're done. It will look like you just actually rebraid your hair. It's beautiful, easy to do. It doesn't take time. You don't have to be a pro for you to be able to do this. If you miss any step, just pay attention to this. Go back to the video, watch it again, share to friends and family that would like to see this, that this might be helpful to. Share with them and they will thank you for it. So guys, that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to purchase the extension, the coily extension, I'll be linking it on the description section. Don't hesitate to check. And if you use my code, you'll be getting some discount when you order. Just use my code, which I'm going to be leaving, my discount code, which I'm going to be leaving on the description section as well. Don't hesitate to use it when you're making orders so you can get some discount. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.